Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in the beautiful master plan community of MARVIDA located in Cypress, Texas. Now, this community is known for its resort style amenities. This home that we are viewing is built by MI Homes and it is called the Magnolia. The Magnolia is going to be a 3 bedroom, 2 4 bath home. It is going to be a little over 1,500 square feet, and the starting price is just a little bit above the $300,000 range. So if you are looking for something that's in a great community that has all the amenities you and your family may need, this might be the perfect home for you. Now, if you're interested in what schools this home is zoned to, they will be Cypress Fairbanks ISD, and it's going to be Walker Elementary, Road Middle School, and Cypress Park High School. If you have any questions regarding this builder, this community, or any other real estate questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Also, do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of your tour.